Hello friends, welcome to another video. If you try to install macOS and Linux with Windows PC or laptop, I recommended Clover bootloader with single PC or laptop is a best option for multi-boot. As you can see, I installed macOS, Windows 11 and FidoOS on a laptop using Clover bootloader. If you want to install multi-OS on a PC or laptop, see this video tutorial completely. And don't forget like and subscribe my channel. If you want to install multi-boot on your PC or laptop, this video helps you for multi-boot basic things. 4 basic things required about multi-boot. Number 1, BIOS setting and GPT partition table BIOS setting is very important section for multi-boot. If you want multi-boot on your PC or laptop, you must UEFI BIOS and GPT partition table, as you can see in this video. You can set your PC or laptop BIOS for multi-OS installation. Fast BIOS, disable secure boot, disable USB awake, enable ahci mode, enable select BIOS mode, UEFI, and then save changes and exit. Number 2, use multi-HD or SSD on your PC or laptop if you want multi-OS on a single PC or laptop. I recommended you can use multi-hard drive and SSD to complete an easy install. As you can see, I use 2 internal HDD and 1 external HDD. I installed Clover bootloader and macOS with first GD disk 0 and second HD disk 1, install Windows 11. Number 3, HDD disk 2 is an external HDD, and I installed Linux FidoOS as external. I manage all OS in a just single click because I use Clover bootloader. Number 3, Clover bootloader. You can use Clover bootloader for easy install multi-boot. Clover is a best bootloader for managing multi-boot installation. First, install macOS with Clover. Second, install Windows and other OS. Clover bootloader will be installed with macOS. Clover bootloader will auto-detect other OS. Always, first install macOS with Clover bootloader. Second, Windows and other OS. Number 4, bootable USB-S for multi-boot. You're required more bootable USB. First, download Windows 11 and make bootable USB with Rufus. 16GB USB recommended. Second, download macOS img bootl file and make bootable USB with Balena Etcher. 16GB USB recommended. Third, download any Linux ISO file as you wish and make bootable USB with Rufus. 8GB USB recommended. I hope you can install multi-boot successfully after see this video. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.